What's up, guys? We're here with a video. Today we're gonna be going to one of the worst maps ever. Hell.
Hey.
I mean, I don't care going there, but it creeps
It's
me
this
out.
way.
And why do I? Sometimes I feel like the devil. Hold on, I'm coming back. Coming back.
It's that way.
Yeah, I know.
So why were you going the other way?
I was monologuing. Oh, Jesus. Why do I always get stuck on these when I'm flying? It's kind of hard to fly anyway. I thought this was
Watch out for Big Armstrong.
Oh, yeah.
I'm stronger than you. I'll kill it.
Oh, and Spider's
Shut
here.
up.
Oh, hey, Spider.
Oh, that's alright. I'll kill him too.
I don't care about Spider. I can just fly over him. When it gets to 15, I'll just get off of the floor.
I call for grenade.
I'm already at the entrance waiting for you.
I'm ready.
Hey! Come on. I hate coming here.
Mom, I think I know why you like Christmas. I think I know why you like Christmas.
This place always gives me the heebie-jeebies. Bro, wait for me! You went ahead of me! Wait.
Alright, I'll wait. Alright, finally. Took long enough.
Anyway, we're almost
Wait,
there.
let me.
I'm already there.
Well, it's this way.
This way. Hold on, I get stuck on these wires all the time. I hate this place, you know that? You know I hate this
Bye-bye.
place, right?
Why?
No idea. Just do. I just do. Ah! I hate coming here sometimes. You know that? I mean, it's already starting to fill up with lava.
Let's go.
But don't blame me if you die.
Why would you think I would?
Alright. Stupid eye monster guy.
What are you doing?
Grabbing the stuff. That's enough for me. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm gone. I just made it back. Well, guys, I think we're finished with this video. We made it to hell. We got a lot of ores.
You're still working.
Yep, selling. Couple thousand, nice.
Alright, I'm just gonna come back.
Anyway, guys, I think that's the end of the video. Yo, bro, when you come back, I'm just gonna end the video. Anyway, yeah, you may not see me in the mirror. Hook shot. Yeah, he's selling right now, so speak. Yeah, I'm hook shot. Like, actually shoot himself. Definitely not saddle. But anyway, my God, bro.
13K.
Anyway, guys.
13K.
Yeah, good. Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the video here. Have a great night or day.